just a quick tutorial on how to install BX fonts if you've had trouble dragging them over into Embrilliance. I figured something out. But first thing I wanted to show you was this. I'm in Stitchtopia. Everything is on sale here, all the fonts I should say. And here's the thing, I didn't do this and now I'm seeing it. Coupons, April 30th, 30% off if you spend 10 bucks. Well, I just bought this let's see, how can I find it for you? I just bought this item right here for $9.99. If I had bought one more item, I would have gotten 30% off. Here's what I bought. The Maya embroidery font. I really like it. It's really pretty. I bought the bundle. You can buy them separately. Again, if I had purchased one more thing, I would have gotten 30% off, which would have been, if this was $10, it would have been $3 off for the whole set. So anyway, what I did was I went here and, well, let me show you one here, a different one. Let's go to Shop, Alphabets, All. Let's pretend like I want to buy the Adele font, okay? So I would click on that, and then it's going to ask me to choose an option right here. This is really important for Unix users. The option you want to use is the BX option. Do not get these because you'll get 50 million files to download. If you get the BX option, that means you can just hit the letter G on your keyboard and you get the G. All right, but here's the thing. So I went ahead and downloaded this, the one I wanted, and here it is, Stitchtopia Maya Complete. Notice it says it's compressed file. And if I click on that, notice it says Extract All. So I'm going to extract them all, and I'm going to let it go to my downloads folder and say extract. Okay, here they are. It no longer says extract all, so you think these will work. But let me show you. I'm going to open up Embrilliance, open that part up. Let's see this right here. Remember, I told you to look. If it doesn't say extract all, it's extracted. But here's the thing. Check this out. Look what it says the file type is. Compressed zipped folders. So if I try to drag this over, even though it didn't say extract all originally, now look right here, it doesn't say it. However, when I click on this, look what it says, extract all. So what I'm going to do now is grab all these because first of all, let me show you again. If you try to drag this over, it looks like it's dragging. I don't see the little round circle with the X through it, the red thing, but when I move this out of the way, it doesn't show that it's been installed. And if I were to come over here and look, it wouldn't show that it's installed. So this is a little sneakier than sometimes. When nothing is selected, it doesn't look like it says extract all, but I do see their compressed folders. So I'm going to grab them all, and now I'm going to extract them again and say extract. Okay, this time I see them, and look at the little icon there. I wonder if I can make those icons bigger. Large icon, yeah. So look at these little icons now. When they're like this, if I highlight it, it says embroidery installer file. That's what we want. Okay, we want the installer file. And notice when I click on this now, it does not say extract. So I'm going to go back to view. I right-clicked and I said View Details, and I'm just going to take the ones that are embroidery installer file. So I'll click on this one, hold down my Control key, get this. I'm just going to show you guys. Now do this and get rid of these. Okay, it says that they have been installed now, and we know it was successful. So that's it. Remember, sometimes you may have to unzip or extract something twice. When you click on the item, look and see if it says extract still. I'm just getting ready to end this video, and I looked at some of my comments, and someone named Lovable70 asked a question, and she said, thanks for this video. How do we uninstall a BX font? Okay, that's pretty easy. Do it like this. You come to Documents, My Documents, right? And then you come to Embrilliance. Then you go into Fonts. and say I want to delete something that I got from, maybe something that I got from Rivermill Embroidery. Okay, so you'll notice these are the Rivermill Embroidery ones. And let's say I want to get rid of the Daisy script 1.5 inch. I can just click on this and right click and delete it. But when you do it, you should delete both the BF file and the LF file. Okay, to delete a font, if you have AlphaTricks, is a lot easier. You simply come up here to where it says Font Mapper, click on Font Mapper, and that opens up this dialog box. It says, would you like to begin importing a font? Say no. And then you simply come here to this drop-down menu until you see the one that you wanted to get rid of. And what was it, a Rivermill? We'll just say Rivermill Jester. I would click on that. And then just come over here where it says delete font and delete it, just like that. So that's it. I hope this helps you guys. Hey, if you like my videos, please, please, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and tell your friends. I'm really trying to get to 70,000 subscribers. So also, if you're in the market to buy something, maybe you want to get AlphaTricks today. Check out my links down below and use them. I sure appreciate it. It keeps me motivated to keep making videos for you guys. So again, leave me questions. I have some questions I'm working on today that might be videos later. So stay tuned.